Hi, I'm Kira Sadrans-Campbell, and I'm a senior lecturer in the Department for Chemical and Biological Engineering. Chemical engineering is an amazing subject because it's multidisciplinary in and of itself. Reality is you take tons of different pieces from lots of different disciplines in order to make chemical engineering happen. You take bits of chemistry, materials science, mathematics, and engineering, of course, to bring it all together. And one of the things about it is it makes it possible for us to solve real-life problems.
My name is Paul Jenkinson and I studied chemical engineering with energy. I am now a senior gas networks engineer, net zero, working in the gas industry looking at conversions to hydrogen. So it's really exciting to be working on this because of the impacts that you feel like you're having. So moving from fossil fuel energy to more sustainable energies is something I'm really passionate about, and to be involved in that is really important to me.
One of the biggest reasons I chose Sheffield was because of its geological location. I feel it's very easy to pick a university based upon which one is the best because, you know, Russell Group, there are so many of them. But I really like the fact that Sheffield was a green city, so there was a lot of parks. We're right next to the Peak District, which would allow for me to, you know, go out and relax, especially from a stressful day. And also the fact that it was a Russell Group university just meant that in terms of my career advancement and my options, it would give me a lot of options in terms of where to work, what industries, even possibly different countries to work in. So those are kind of the two big reasons I picked Sheffield. The student life here is so diverse. There's just so many different things that you can do, and also just the community. I always tell people that since coming to Sheffield, I've basically traveled the world just from the people I've met in my course, in the sports that I play, the societies I've joined, also just my course mates, the interactions that I get to have with people of different cultures, different socio-economic statuses, different ideologies is so amazing. It just broadens your perspective. So definitely the diversity here.
We learn about fundamental science, we teach our students fundamental science and engineering, but we then apply it to the world and all the problems that exist so that we can try to make the world a better place.
So by studying chemical engineering with energy, I kept lots of opportunities open. So I was able to move into plenty of fields within the engineering sector. Being able to cover such a broad range of engineering was really important to me.
There's just so many different skills I've gained while being a student. I think the first ones are obviously technical skills, the different softwares that I've learned how to use and how they're going to play a big role when I become a certified chemical engineer. And also just soft transferable skills that I've gotten from not just in my course, but also from the different societies and different sports that I've joined as a student here.
Sheffield's chemical engineering program is a fantastic program that's IChemE accredited, but one of the things about our program is our faculty and staff's dedication and the design to bring us into the problems of the 21st century. One of the things that's often said is that chemical and biological engineering can look or feel outdated to somebody who hasn't looked at our modern curriculum. But we've modernized our curriculum both to reflect changes and needs of our student population, as well as the needs that they're going to have when they go out into the workforce.